everyone, it's Sarah from Nova Scotia. I want to show you a piece I did recently. It was almost a fail. I think I ended up adding too much paint to the middle, ended up pouring most of it off. Turns out way different than I expected, but it's really nice. Well, that didn't go like I expected. I had this great plan to have all these like light and dark places and have it all blended in through the middle, and I added too much paint and had to run it off, but this looks awesome. I was thinking about scraping it as I was doing it. I was getting pretty discouraged and then decided to let it all run to the one edge there, and wow, it looks like a landscape, doesn't it? Like the kind of like beach and water, and then like almost like the edge of a mountain range, and then this like beautiful blue sky with pinks, and that's really cool. Okay, here it is dry. It turned out really nice. This is the landscape section I was talking about.